father and my goal was always to make the best die casting, not just to make a die casting. A die casting, anybody can put metal in a pot and make a casting, but does it serve its function? Does it do its job? Does it give you the product you need and the sustainability of that product? I'm Ken Zaucha. My father, Walter, and I started Ken Walt Die Casting. We've been operating since approximately 1968. A lot of my background was in metallurgy. So one of the things we like to do is when a customer brings in a product, I like to get involved in the earliest stages of that product where I can maybe assist them in design, proper things to do to optimize the die cast products, the material to use. There are a lot of material selections that have various qualities for pressure, tightness, for anodizing, flow that will give you a better casting.
We specialize in vacuum assist die casting, which isn't widely used in the die casting industry. We have a centralized vacuum system throughout the foundry that's hooked up to every die cast machine that will vacuum out the air as the metal enters into the die cavity, which will give you a denser casting and less chance of any porosity in the casting. We have good capacity, up to 900 tons of holding pressure, which will yield you, we can do parts as big as about 35, 40 inches in diameter. And our expertise is superior die molding design, which will yield you better quality parts and longer tool life.
Our machines range anywhere from 900 ton all the way down to 400 ton aluminum. We have 3 400 ton zinc machines, and then we have 2 automatic zinc cells. Because of the fact that we use melting furnaces and not a large holding furnace, we're able to change our material very quickly based on the customer's needs.
Initially, we will usually get an inquiry from either a buyer or someone from the engineering staff. And in the preliminary evaluation of the quote, we will be talking to the engineers to go over die design, where we can have radiuses, where you can have draft angles, which will be required for die casting and extend your tool life.
I love to work with engineering because we talk the same language. It's helpful because I've been in engineering all my life and I know what they're striving to attain and to accomplish. It's very rewarding to help them and to share the knowledge I've obtained over the years so they can obtain the best possible product. If I can help them and develop that product and make something that really serves their purpose, it's a shining star for them, but it's a shining star for me, and being able to do that is very rewarding.
Ken Walt Die Casting is a great organization to work with. They go out of their way to help with any needs you have. Their design services are first rate. Their quality, on-time delivery is excellent. We've used other die casters in the past, but in the last few years we've pulled all of our business and taken it to Ken Walt Die Casting, basically because of their service, quality, and reliability.
I get a lot of satisfaction in seeing a happy customer. A customer that is very satisfied with what we produced, meets all his requirements, and he comes back to us over and over again for more parts.